In today's video, I'm going to use BookBoat 2.0 Evergreens feature to find best-selling products for Amazon KDP. So I'm on the main page in BookBoat. I will go on Evergreens, and here we can search monthly, 2 months or 3 months period. We've got categories. Let's do again tracker, and we can do BSR rank between 5 millions and 1. So let's say 60,000 BSR rank, and it's going to give us, let's say, 1 month, and it's going to give us the best-selling books for 1 month up to 60,000 BSR rank. The first one is daily food and expenses journal, another savings planner, 75 days journal, weightlifting workbook. So let's scroll blood sugar workbook. So this one is password workbook. I think we're going to have this interior in BookBoat Studio. Let's go on BookBoat Studio. This is the interior for my previous video. So I will click here and I will search for interiors. Let's say password. There you go. We've got two variants. Let's open them. This is the first one. Site username password. And this is the second one. I'm going to use the second one. So let's go back. I will open another project, new project, create project. Let's say password, workbook, 6 by 9. I think 6 by 9 is perfect. No bleed, 100 pages, black and white interior with white paper. Just click create project. There you go. We've got our pages ready. They are blank pages, you can see. And this one is going to be our cover. So let's click again on the interiors. Click on this page, select all. Press Ctrl and click on the cover page to exclude this one, and click continue to options, submit, and it's going to create 100 pages of this interior. There you go, it's ready. We can check this. Now we can create the cover in the same way. I will go on image generator. Let's say flower pattern, vintage flower pattern, generate. We're going to wait to see what the image generator will give us. There you go. So click add to page, like in my previous video. Restretch this. Actually, we can resize to the whole cover. Perfect. Now I will go on elements, click on this element again, this box. I will move this in the middle. Now we're going to need text, headline, password, tracker, or workbook. Let's say tracker. There you go. Make it smaller. I will make the text white. Perfect. Now I will change the font. Let's say Anton. I know Anton is bold font. Anton. There you go. Okay. Make this box bigger. Like this. Perfect. This one a little bit bigger. There you go. I think we are ready to go. So it's not very good, but if you're trying to create your cover, take your time and do the better cover. I'm just showing you quickly because I don't want to waste your time. So now we're going on downloads. As you can see, printed books. Click here. This message is because we are using the AI generator. Just click understand. There you go. Let's open this one. I will extract this. There you go. Open the folder. We've got sources, we've got cover. This one is going to be the cover. You can see the cover. And this one is the interior. You can see here 100 pages, and let me do this on the whole page, and you can see it's the same interior, and you can check actually from here. When you click, you can see here the interior as well. So I think that's it for today, guys. I just wanted to show you this quick method to find evergreens using BookBoat 2.0 evergreens feature. Over here, you can scroll and find best-selling books with low BSR rank. You can try to recreate some of those books and start making money. With that being said, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.